Hi, welcome back. In my previous video, I have completed Medallion architecture, and also I showed you how we can automate or schedule the data pipelines. Now I will show you how I automated the notebooks and how the complete process I have developed. Okay, and let me show you from there. I have created a copy data functionality from the CSV file for the customer data, and I have also created a copy data from the CSV for the product. But in this demo, I can show you that I have also integrated the MongoDB and the dynamics for sales. Okay, so in the MongoDB, what I have done, I have created a connection for the MongoDB. Okay, you can create the connection with the various data sources. So I have connected my my pipeline with the Mongo server. Okay, to getting the products information. Okay, and then I have created a data source connection with the Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, here I am just copying the data from the leads table, and this leads table will be copied in the lakehouse. Okay, so in this process, what I'm doing, I'm copying all the information from the different sources, and I have a notebook which will run right after the copying data. When I have all the tables created in the lakehouse here, when I have all the tables here, so it will run, this notebook will run, and then it will create the silver data to clean all the raw data which will be coming from there. It will clean all the data and move it to the silver data, and then right after completion of that, I am running the another notebook which will get all the information from the silver data models, and then refine that, implement the aggregated functions and all the things, and then created the new tables, the final production tables in the code environment. Let me show you here. I have the bronze data here. Okay, in this bronze folder I have the raw data. Okay, so let me run that process so I can show you how it will run. Now I just run the process. Now you can see my first process is in queue, so it will take some time to get the information from the different sources. Okay, meanwhile I will show you the notebooks, the silver notebooks and the gold notebook. This was my notebook for copying data from the raw, from the bronze to the silver data. Okay, so in this architecture, you already know that we have three stages, so I will move the data to the silver stage. Okay, so these are the statements I write here for the in the PySpark to complete the process. Okay, this will run for moving data from raw to the silver. And let me show you the another notebook which will move data from silver to the gold with the aggregations and all the things. Okay, this is my notebook for gold here. This is my final notebook. It will apply all the aggregations and complete data as per my requirements, and move this data into the delta tables. Okay, with the name of gold customer analytics, gold products, gold monthly sales. Okay, so let's have a look if the process is initiated or not. Right now it is in the queue. Now you can see all the processes are successfully completed. Let me show you. You can see the green tick marks on all the processes. Okay, if any process in middle of that this transaction has failed, so I have created a failed migration message which will be received by email to any user. Okay, so it is successfully run. So let's see what happened in the lakehouse. Now I'm going to the tables, the delta tables in the lakehouse. Now you can see all the tables are there. Okay, these are my gold tables and these are my silver tables. This is the Mongo database for the products. Okay, and this is the leads table from the Microsoft Dynamics. Let me show you how many records we have in the Dynamics. You can see the 16 records I have here with this information. Okay, let me check how many records we have in the Dynamics as well. So Microsoft Dynamics sales is opening, so I will show you that how many leads I have in the Dynamics. Yeah, now the lead data is loaded, so you can see that I have only 16 records, so all the data is copied in the lake house. So this was the demo. Thank you for watching.